Okay guys, so I'm gonna make Labubus in Blender. I just want to do something for a video and I want to get views. That's the only thing I want. Let's make the head first. Yes. Then we can make eyes. Alright, this is looking a little bit like a Labubu. So we're gonna make the nose. Right, that's the nose. It's looking like a Labubu to me. I don't know how to make the mouth. Maybe this. Right now we're going to sculpting. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. We can do the color. Yeah, that's the head done. We're gonna make the other part of the head. That's the head, I think. Yeah, that's good. Now we are gonna make a hand. And that is really hard. Alright, it's awful, but we have to deal with it. That doesn't even look like a hand. Yeah, it's not that bad. Right, the only thing we need to do is the feet. And then it's done. I have the Labubu. Alright, let's give it an animation. I have him in Mixamo.
Yahoo!
Labubu, labu labu, labubu, labubu, labu labu.
Yes, guys, we have our own moving Labubu. Now we can use some animation, bro. Look at this. Oh, Labubu. Let's search up dance. Chicken dance. Oh. If you guys like the idea, we can make a horror game with Labubu.